Another day, another parcel. But today is a special parcel, special delivery because this is from Pinoy Fitness. Ang akong giapilan nga virtual run for 3 months. Ayan, PF Earth package. Ay, let's open it. Ayan. Oh, ay. Ayan, Earth Virtual Challenge. Open. Wow! Look. Wala, nice. Ayan. And nakabutang dira, 250k finisher. Wow! This is for 3 months. Dayon, January to March. Ayan, okay. And this is the medal. Zandararan. Wow! Ay! Sorry. So, dara ang medal. Wow! Pinoy Fitness Earth Virtual Challenge. Wow! Hala ka, nice uy. Ayan, Christine Joy, 250k finisher. Hala ka, wow uy. Ayan, Earth, Pinoy Fitness Earth Virtual Challenge. Ayan, sa likod, ngalan. Uy, kagwapa. Wow, so cute. Thank you, Pinoy Fitness. Gotcha! I-award na to sa akong kaugaling. Isuot na to. Isuot na to. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, medal. Wow. Yes, look, nice. Thank you so much. Oh, nice. Oh, thank you so much, Pinoy Fitness.